Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Reebok bikini underwear for women available on the market right now. If you're on the hunt for comfortable, breathable, and stylish underwear that can keep up with an active lifestyle, this 5-pack of stretch performance seamless bikini briefs from Reebok might just be what you need. First off, let's talk about the design. These bikini briefs are crafted with a seamless construction, which means no annoying seams digging into your skin or causing discomfort. The tag-free design also adds to the overall comfort, eliminating any irritation that tags sometimes bring. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just lounging around, these underwear offer a smooth, barely there feel that moves with you. The fit is true to the classic bikini style, with a waistband that features the Reebok logo for a sporty yet fashionable look. The waistband sits comfortably on your hips without digging in, and the leg openings are naturally cut to ensure they stay in place without riding up or causing discomfort. This makes layering under your favorite outfits effortless and comfortable. When it comes to fabric, these briefs are made from a blend of 95% nylon and 5% spandex, offering both breathability and stretch. The material is lightweight and flexible, which allows for a full range of motion while also keeping you cool throughout the day. This is especially important if you lead an active lifestyle or simply want underwear that can keep you comfortable no matter what the day holds. Another great aspect of this product is the care instructions. These bikini briefs are machine washable, making them easy to clean and maintain. This convenience adds to their appeal, as you don't have to worry about special care routines. Available in sizes small through extra large, these briefs cater to a range of body types, making it easier for you to find the perfect fit. The pack comes in classic colors like black, which adds versatility to your wardrobe essentials. To sum it up, the Reebok Women's Bikini Underwear 5-pack offers a blend of comfort, style, and functionality. The seamless design and breathable fabric make these briefs a great choice for women who want reliable everyday underwear that won't hold them back. If you're looking for underwear that combines athletic performance with everyday wearability, this set from Reebok should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.